Hey guys, it's Edith. I thought I'd do me a walk. It's so dark out here. Do you see the clouds? It's really something. So, thought I'd walk down a little ways by the river and, across the bridge. Yeah. Wow, it's nice today. Really nice today. The river's really calm. This is Edith, my weight loss journey, 1 step, 1 pound, loving to do what I do. I haven't played guitar and sang in a while. It's been tough. Losing my sister was a hard thing. But we have been able to, we planned a dinner. Look how pretty it is here. Yeah, the river is so nice. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty down here. All the pretty flowers and everything. This is down here by an apartment complex. Hi, how are you? That's good. Beautiful weather, huh? Yeah, I walk and do videos to show people that might be shut-ins or whatever that don't get to see what I see.
Yeah.
Thank you. And so as a Christian, I'm like, hey, you might not get to see this, so I thought I'd show you the river and myself
My sister
walking.
is in a nursing home over here now because she's
Yeah.
closer to me. But
Yeah,
she's had some people stop and give her pictures of North Liberty because that's
See?
where she lived.
yeah, and
Because she's asking me, and I said, I haven't been over there. I don't know what's going on.
I like to come here because see how they've redone everything. You've probably
Yes.
been here.
Yeah,
I love it.
trails.
Last year I walked, I lost 54 pounds,
Yeah.
and I'm really excited to go back. I come and do as much as I can when it warms up
Uh-huh.
because when it's cold and your muscles,
Yes.
then I'll come back and then I'll start doing more. But I love to do videos for the people that might be shut in, and that's my biggest group on YouTube is the elderly.
That's good.
Yeah, so you have a blessed day.
Hey, you too.
I'll do some more filming. God bless you. See the
God
flowers.
bless you.
Thank you. I think there's some things that need to be cleaned up here. So maybe they'll get around to that. But yeah, maybe I go down a little farther. Sometimes there's people down here that Make it kind of scary to walk if you don't know who's down here. You don't know these people. Isn't that terrible? As a Christian, I shouldn't be afraid of anything, but yeah, I filmed the other side when I was out here the other day. I realized, some people are in nursing homes, they still get the internet and things like that, and they get to do things. So yeah, I like that. They have really done a lot here. I think I showed people last year how they've redone the sidewalks and things like that. So that's really nice. I go down here by the river. That's really pretty. I think I showed that in the last one. Isn't that nice? All these things are new. So, yeah. So please like and subscribe to my channel and share if you would be so kind. Help a girl out. I lost 54 pounds, like I said. And I made it through the winter. It's now spring. And I just believe that I'm going to lose another 50 to 60 pounds this year. That's what I do. There's some pretty blue flowers. Aren't those pretty? The wind's kind of chilly. Oh, there goes the siren. I'm going to have to wait. You're gone. Gotta have some water. How's everybody doing? I hope it's warming up where you are. There's a pretty blonde squirrel here. I haven't seen these colors before. The river's really flowing today. And that's nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's the big tree. They decorated Christmas, but I don't walk down here at Christmas time. You see that tree? But I don't walk down here at Christmas time because the weather is so bad. It's beautiful today. I don't know what the weather is, but I'm gonna let you go because I know y'all can see how beautiful it is behind me. Check out my channel. Please like and subscribe and share if you'd be so kind, and you'll see me doing more walking videos. I'm getting ready to go back to the gym this week, and I'll be doing my big elliptical, which I love. It moves a lot better than this small one. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.